Folks, we're out here. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the Cessna TTX by HobbyKing. And I went in there and did some mods on the front landing gear, and redid the little control rods channel that it travels in, and I gotta tell you, this is one fun flying little bird here. What I like doing with this bird is just kind of fly around with her kind of slow with them flaps down. Just a good flying bird. Sorry, she's a little high right now. Oh, she still wants to climb on me, which is better than wanting to dive. All right, there we go. That is the Cessna TTX. Let's see if we can't take off with a scale takeoff here. Yeah, somewhat scale. I'm running a Avios, I don't know how you say it, 2200 3-cylinder, which is about as big of a 3-cell you're going to want to fly in this plane. She's only 1100 millimeter, okay, so she's a small plane. Not a big plane at all. There, she'll fly inverted for you. I don't like flying inverted. I just don't have enough practice with it. And it's just more one of those things that planes aren't meant to fly upside down. I know, yes, they can. But it's just not something I like to do. But I'll do it, especially for the sake of a video. There, a nice low, slow pass there. There you go. Here, let's do another pass like that again. There you go. It's a good looking little bird right there. Okay, elegant, pretty, lot of finesse. However way you want to say it. All right. All right, there we go. I think we got maybe a little more juice. Let's do takeoff flaps. All right. Get her turned around here. Get on my rudder to straighten her up for the runway. All right, oh, you know what? Let's do better than that. We can do better than that. I know we can. Oh yeah, much better. All right, well, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That is the HobbyKing Cessna TTX. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.